Experiencing a Spectrum Xumo box that won't turn on can be frustrating. The primary causes often relate to power supply. First, ensure the Xumo box is receiving power. Check the USB-C power adapter, which is 12 volts 2 and make sure it's connected to a stable outlet. Power interruptions can sometimes cause the device to not boot correctly. Try a power cycle by unplugging the device for 30 seconds. If power is stable, but the box remains unresponsive, try a hard reset by pressing the pinhole button on the back of the device to restore default settings. User reports indicate that power-related issues are frequent but often resolved through these basic steps. According to Spectrum's Q2 2025 report, 18% of support tickets are for not turning on issues, down from 22% in 2024 after firmware updates. A Reddit case study from August 2025 showed that power cycling fixed a similar issue after a storm, highlighting the importance of power surge protectors. If your Xumo box powers on but you see no display, the issue likely lies with the HDMI connection or display settings. The Xumo box uses HDMI 2.0 ports for 4K resolution. Try switching to a different HDMI port on your TV, as some ports may function better than others. Faulty or low-quality HDMI cables are a common culprit, responsible for approximately 45% of display failures. Consider swapping out your HDMI cable for a new, high-quality one. Check your TV settings to ensure the correct HDMI input is selected. Enabling CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, in your TV settings can also help with auto detection. If issues persist, use the My Spectrum app for remote diagnostics. A CNET review from June 2025 found that swapping HDMI cables resolved a black screen issue. During a July 2025 heatwave-induced outage in Texas, Spectrum's tech team resolved 85% of display issues by guiding users through remote HDMI resets. According to expert opinions from Consumer Reports, prioritizing quality peripherals like HDMI cables is essential for preventing display failures.